activity game for kids. Jai Shri Ram friends, welcome back to my channel Kids Free Education. Merry Christmas to all of you. So today is Christmas and one more special day. Do you know what is it? It's birth anniversary of Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Do you know why do we celebrate this special man? Who is he? So Atal Bihari Vajpayee was a very special man because we call him a leader, but he was not just a leader. He was a voice that will carry peace, poetry and courage together. And he shake the world and touch our hearts. He gave up शिक्षा अभियान मीन्स उन्होंने बच्चों को एक शिक्षा अभियान चालू किया था. लाइक दिस इट्स माय ड्रीम आल्सो. ऐसे ही मेरा भी सपना है कि हमारे देश भारत का हर एक बच्चा पढ़े. दैट्स व्हाई आई गिव दिस किड्स फ्री एजुकेशन. लेट्स मूव ऑन सर्चिंग द वर्ड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. I sound practice worksheet. Let us spot the I family words and write them in the boxes below. So this activity is very special for you because as we are doing mixed practice worksheet of I, you need to find different sounds of I and write them in the box. Don't write off A and E, just write off I. Okay, any sound can come to you to answer, so you need to answer. You need to be attentive to that worksheet. Okay, so now I will do one and other I will ask to you and do. So let me take this picture, these three trees you can see. Okay, you can see these three trees. So they can make two words. One is big, they are pointing to big. Okay, one is big and second is mid. They are pointing to this tree which is in the middle. So we can make mid. So see, two words of different sounds and the words are also different. Big and mid. Okay, so now for this one, you tell which sound of I. Is it of I sound only? Oh, that's good. Yes, it's of which sound and which word? It sound at fin word. Correct. So we will write fin here. Okay. Now the next one we should take this one. Okay, this picture. So this one you will answer. Yes, it's also of I sound. And which word? Which sound? Correct. In sound again. And the word is win. So we will write win. Okay. Now for this house, it's looking so big and good. Do you know it also have many sounds hidden in it? So tell. Yes, you want to try? You can. Correct, we found 6 hiding here on the terrace of it. Okay, and the more words are... what is this? You tell, is it of I sound? No, it has A sound. M at mad. So see, you revised A sound also. M at mad. Now for this, yes, it has I sound. Which one and which sound? Correct, it's K, it kid and its sound. So let me write kid here. Okay. Now which word is left we have not tried? This one. I will write for if it has, I will write it for here. Okay. You can make boxes here and write. Yes, you want to try? Okay, you can take this chance. Correct, it's of I sound. And which word and which sound? Correct, fit. And which sound? It sound. Correct, this is the it sound. Okay. Now, this is something. Yes, this is. वर्ड्स आपको मुझे कमेंट में बताना है कि अब सुन लो क्या क्या बताना है. Listen what you have to tell. You need to tell, is it of I sound? Okay, and which sound it has and which word is it? I can't think this one. You will tell me in the comment box. Promise? Good. Now once again wish you a very happy Christmas and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye.